So Facebook is making noise when scrolling. How to turn it off? So this is kind of new update of Facebook app, and you can turn this annoying update just if you tap on your profile picture in the bottom right, then just go to scroll down a bit. You will see the screen with your name and all of the details. So just scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. And here you just go to media, and then basically from here you just need to toggle off in-app sound. When you turn it off, this annoying scrolling sound will be gone from a Facebook app. So that's just basically the idea of what you can do. Yep, I hope that will help you out.